For all the mommies in the building, let's make potato, fish, carrot puree for our babies. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get this done for our babies. In a clean pot, I will 2 cups of cooking water. So I will just add in 2 cups of cooking water, then cover the pot to turn to boil for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, the first ingredient I will be adding here is carrot. Over here I have a chopped carrot. I just wash and chop the carrot, then I will add it. I cover this for 5 minutes cook. Next ingredient I will be needing is potato. Over here I have the potato. I will just get rid of the skin of the potato. Our first shout out of 2023 goes to Ada Nkano. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you love the recipe. Thank you for being one of our family. We are happy to have you. Don't forget to share our post. Thank you so much. So guys, don't forget to drop where you are watching from in the comment section so that the next hug will be for you. Thank you guys so much. I'm happy to have you all here. Now I'm done with the potato. I just chop it in a little bite-able size so that it will get cooked on time. So I will just rinse the potato with a clean water. Five minutes later, here is the carrot. So it has turned to boil for 5 minutes now. Now I will adding the potato. I will add all of it inside the pot. Then after adding the potato, next I will be adding is fish. Over here is the fish I'm going to be making use of. I have a boneless fish, so don't add fish that have bone, guys. I will cover this to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, here is the food. It has cooked at this point. Everything is cooked and is soft to use. So now I will just check and see it's okay to off the heat. Now I will add everything inside the blending cup. So both the fish, both the carrot and the potato, I will blend everything at once. So after adding all of it, then I will add in milk. If you're a breastfeeding mom, you can use milk from your breast. So if you're not a breastfeeding mom, you can use liquid milk. I always receive message, what type of milk am I using? I use cow milk. Okay, I use cow milk. So you can always use liquid milk like cow milk to blend your baby's food. So if you're a breastfeeding mom, you can use your normal milk. It's good. So now I'm done blending, and this is what we have after blending. For those of us asking about the hand mixer, so I will drop the video for you, the full pack of the hand mixer in your under your comment. So I will bring the video and the picture, then you will see how it is. So if you want me to get it from you, then let me know. I will help you to buy it. So if you want the blender, let me know. I will just bring the picture now. After this video, you will see the picture, the full pack. It comes 3 in 1. So if you want me to book it for you from here, I can help you to get it done. See you in my next one. Bye. So here it is. It comes with 3 in 1 blender, whisker and mixer. So this is how it is. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share this post. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.